Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create Wix banner. So this is going to be a step-by-step guide, and if you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And now let's get into the video. So if you want to create a Wix banner, so for your website, so what you can do firstly, like if you go to your Wix, so we go to wix.com. Okay, so open up your Wix account, and then once you're on your site here, so I just selected my site, so choose the site for which one you want to add the banner. If you've already created a site, or if you don't have a site, you can simply create a new site. Okay, so either way you can just work around with that. I'm not going too much on creating the website. Okay, so once you're on the website here, so what we're going to do, you're going to go to the editors tab, so click on the design site or the edit page, so that will take you to the page editor, the website editor. So once you get to that website editor page here, so what we're going to do is we're going to look for the page background, so which significantly is your banner, so that's going to act as a banner. So once the editor loads here, so I'm going to just wait for this to load. So once this loads here now, so this is my just a demo site here. So what we're going to do, we're going to go and click on this page site design, go to the site design option and then click on page background. And so this is at the moment my page background is, so I'm going to add a banner somewhere here, so something like that here. So this is going to be my banner here. So what I'm going to do here, okay, so this is the current background image we have. So we're going to change this. So what we're going to do is we're going to design a banner. So in order to design a banner, so I'm going to either put it here or else just put something here on the header here. So I'm going to do that. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to firstly select the size, how you want it to be. So for example, your banner, you're going to select the size for it. So if you want to click on this option here, so now to design a banner, so next we need to design a banner. So to design a banner, you're going to use Canva. So Canva is a free tool that you can easily design banners. Okay, so if you ever use Canva, it's free to use. You can go to Canva, create an account, or you can just log into your account if you already have one. And then what we're going to do on Canva here, click on create a new design, and then here what we're going to do, you're going to search for banner in the search bar here, search for banner, type in banner and search for banner, and then here you will see different types of banner here on which orientation you want. So for example, I just need a one for landscape, so this is fine. I will select that. Okay, click on it and select it, and then now here you go to design the banner here. So that's the banner, it's a blank page here, so it's the banner we're going to design. So first thing first, what we're going to do, we're going to add like a background image here. So you can use this design option, and then you can select any of these images, you can use from the library, the Canva library. You can add if you want to add a banner, you can choose from that. Okay, or if you don't want to, you can also use your own one. You can go to this uploads option here and then click on upload file. Okay, click on upload file, and then you can choose whatever image that you want to use as your banner. You can just choose that. So for example, I'll just use this image, click on it, hit on open. Okay, so click on open, and then now what happens, so once this loads here into, once the uploaded file load under in Canva workspace here, so select it. Okay, and it will be added to your banner here. So now you can resize this to match. Okay, so you can resize it to match like that. So you can do that. Okay, you can simply resize it however you want to. You can just do that. Okay, so now that we have a background, so that's the thing, and this is the background that I'm going to use for my banner. So you can, it's up to you whether to use any images you want to, you can do that. And then now what I'm going to do, I need a heading obviously, so I'm going to add a heading. So click on the text box here and then click on add heading. Okay, and add a heading, let's say Shan Cine, okay, something like that. Anything you want to, you can add it, and then you can choose the font, what font you want. You can simply choose it, choose a font. So I want that font, so I'm going to choose that. Okay, I'm going to use this font here, that's fine. And then size, I can resize it if I want to. And the color, so the color here, I'm going to simply select probably a blue one. Okay, Yep, I'm gonna maybe select this. So I'll just use that. Select probably. Alright, okay, that's fine. So I'm not worried too much about the designing. You can do better designs than me, so you can say feel free to use your creativity skills. That's fine. So I've done that, and then once it's done, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add like a heading is done. So what I'm going to do, I can add more stuff here. So if you want to add any shapes, so click on add elements, and if you want to add like shapes or anything like that, you can simply search for the shapes or anything like that. Whatever you want to, you can like search for it. Okay, you can simply search for anything you want to, or any graphics, anything you want to, you can just search for it. And then once, for example, something like that, I want to put this, so I'm going to put it something like that. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to add, so anything whatever you want to add, you just feel free to click on it and add it. So once you've done with the editing, so I'm not going to go too much about creating the banner, like customizing it. So you have create something like that, some banner, and then once you're done with that, next we're going to save it. To save it, we're going to do click on the share option. Okay, click on the share option, and then scroll down and you'll see this download option. Click on download, and then when you get to download here, make sure PNG is selected, because PNG is recommended for banners. Select PNG and then select it, and then hit on download. Okay, now this will download this photo, this banner on your computer. So that's fine, and we're going to soon use this on our Wix site here. Okay, there you go. So I've already install that, download it. That's fine. Go back to your Wix banner here. So now go back to your Wix banner here. So now what we're going to do on your Wix banner here, so you're going to click on add elements. So here on your left side here, so go back, click on add elements. Okay, under add elements, go and select images. Okay, select images and click on upload and import, and then click on upload images. Click on it, and then now this will let you upload the image from your computer that you just downloaded, the banner from that you created from your from Canva. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so just upload it, upload from computer, click on upload from computer, and then choose, it should be within the downloads folder or wherever you saved it. Just open it up. So I'm going to click on it, open it, tap on open, and this will now add it to my Wix media here, media files here. So it will be added. So you just wait for it to get added to upload. So it's being uploaded, and that's fine. Then once you have click on it, we're going to do click on add to page. Okay, and you'll see that it is now added to this page here. Okay, it's now added to this page here, and then here what you want to do is, as you can see, it's not like aligned properly or anything. So we have to resize this. Okay, based on how the size way and how you want to, you go to resize this. Okay, so we're going to do that. So what I want to do is simply, you can click on it and then move it around wherever you want to. So for example, if I put it here, move it around here, and then you can click on the shift option and then resize this to make it smaller. So something like that, to make it smaller. Click on it and then move it around wherever you want to. Just move that around. Okay, that's fine. You can just delete this. You can delete the duplicate one. So this is fine here. So you can go it, and then if you have some overlays, or you want, if you have some overlays or any writings beneath, like for example here, if you want to put it like this and you don't want that to overlap, so what you can do, right click on this, right click on the image and then click on arrange, and then select arrange and click on send to back. Okay, click on send to back, and you will see that the image is now visible. Maybe you can change this color so that it, because it's at the moment it's white, so it's not really visible, so you can change this color to make it more visible. And then so as you can see, this is now it doesn't block the graphics or text there, so you can find, and it's pretty much almost done with it. So this, and you can simply feel free to like resize it or move it around anywhere you want to. And that's pretty much it. That's how you add or create your Wix banner. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you all in another new video. Thank you.